Dentistry, when I think about it and what really drives me and what Pine Cove Dental is all about, it's really about the patients.
My name is Dina Myers, and we moved here a couple years ago, and I have always had a fear of dentistry, everything. And I've done my research, looking up, and I found Dr. Do on Nextdoor. And I contacted him prior to my appointment because I like to explain my anxiety that I have, and he was so kind and responded and kept up correspondence and set up my first appointment, and here I am. And the big testimony right now here is I am sitting here alone because in probably over 20 years I have never gone to the dentist by myself. It was either my mom, my sister, or my husband holding my hand. I really do like it here. They are very nice, very comforting, and just explain everything, and I really enjoy it here. And Dr. Do and the staff is just very comforting, very comforting. Every step, everything that he was going to do, he let me know. I was in complete calm, comfort, and the staff, everybody walked me through everything, and the comfort level I cannot even explain. Who I would recommend to is basically everyone. I have told neighbors, I've even told my family in California, like, next time you come and visit, you're gonna come here. I knew I had issues. I had a busted tooth, I have some bad crowns, and week by week we are fixing it and I can smile, and that is huge, huge in life.
The patients that come to our practice, the story that gets told, and the way that we get to impact and change their lives, and that gets me up in the morning. Of course, we have, just like any normal dental offices, the technology. I have the knowledge and skills and investment I make so that I can do great dental work and really take care of the patient. But at the end of the day, it's that compassion and being able to reach out to our patients and make a difference in their dental health, in their overall health, in their life, And we love our patients. They're lifelong patients because of that. So it's very simple. It's not about us. It's not about what we do. It's not about Pine Cove Dental. It is about our patients and their story. So that's why we exist.
My name is Buck Edwards. A night guard brought me to Pine Cove Dental. I went to a place kind of across the street, and I was curious about the price of it, and I brought it in here to debate it with Dr. Do and so forth, and we talked about it. His price was cheaper, and it was the same thing, and I'm very satisfied. I got greeted very well, and I joked about being Buck the Bear, which was the little sign on the door, which I asked about, and was kind of joking. But Train greeted me really well. She tried to help me out. She got my insurance information and took everything. I was cleared for that within like 15 minutes. My first experience with Dr. Do went really well. We talked about some of the procedures like replacing the night guard and dental cleaning and so forth. And he was very straightforward, kind, and I was quite pleased. The first time I came into Pine Cove Dental was to get my teeth cleaned. And that started off from the night guard before that. And Dr. Do explained everything to me, and we go through the process. And then I ended up getting a wisdom tooth pulled, which I needed to be done, and that went quite well also. Actually, I've recommended him to quite a few people. My neighbor, I've given 2 sets of the greeting with the toothbrush and the toothpaste and the business card. I pretty much recommend him to anybody. And just the other day, last Friday, a lady was approaching the door. I opened the door for her and talked to her for a moment, and Trang actually got everything set up for her to become a member here. They're so kind here, and I just like the atmosphere and how you feel. I've come back a few times afterwards just to say hey, to see if there's anything I could do for them.
My name is Joseph, and I was in search of a dentist in a place that I could call home and have all my dental treatments. And I met with Dr. Do. He was very friendly. He had me come in and speak with him. And I really wanted a second opinion on a treatment plan that another dentist had recommended. Dr. Do told me exactly what needed to be done. He was very understanding, very sensitive to my personal dental issues, and I felt that he was very knowledgeable in what he was doing, and I placed my trust in him. And ever since then, it's been great. Some of the issues I had were from waiting too long for treatments. I needed an extraction, a crown, some repair, and there was quite a bit to do. I didn't know where to get started, and the doctor laid out a plan, systematically what was the most priority, and we worked together on this, and everything was taken care of properly. And I'm very happy and pleased with the treatment. I have no regrets whatsoever. I wish I had met this doctor a long time ago.